Hi, good day everyone. Today we are going to present a short video about flood. Flood is a natural phenomenon that has occurred almost in every country. Flood can be defined as an excessive quantity of water that can submerge a large area or property. Flood is recognized as a natural disaster. I am going to explain about three types of floods. First is coastal flooding. Coastal flooding occurs when storms or extreme weather combine with high tides. It may cause sea levels to rise above normal and forcing seawater to cover the low-lying land. Next, flash flood. A flash flood occurs when raining heavily on an area where the quantity of water can accumulate in large quantity. It is difficult to flow out the water of the area due to an inadequate drainage system or blocked by garbage or separated materials. Then, river floods. River floods occurs when it rains for a prolonged period and in large quantities, causing water to flow freely by filling the river reservoir and inundating the area. For example, the latest flood event that hit Kuala Terengganu on 19 December 2022 gave a big surprise when it reached 40,456 residents in 8 districts affected by the flood.
The impact of flood in the environment. Short-term effects: the destruction of vegetation, long stagnant floodwaters in agricultural areas, causing plants in the area to die and is likely to be destroyed. Secondly, destruction of farm animals. Floodwater that exceed seawater level causes animals, livestock could not be safe and cause the animals to die. For the long-term effects, structural damage and soil erosion. Floodwater causes an area to suffer changes in the structure of the soil due to heavy floodwater. Current leads to movement of land to the mouth of the river.
Methods to overcome floods. The first method is repairing the drainage system. One of the methods to ensure that floods do not occur in the urban and rural areas of Kuala Terengganu is to prepare and maintain the drainage system well. As a country that receives a lot of rainfall, we need an efficient drainage system. This is because it can help drain excess water such as rainwater into the river and sea areas. The second method is controlling human activity. The next method in overcoming the issue of floodings is to control development and logging in forest areas. Floods that occur in rural or inland areas are mostly caused by development activities in the surrounding forest areas. For example, agriculture activities, logging, and resort construction. When forest areas are cut down, the trees that previously functioned as rain catchment areas are gone, and the rainwater that falls will flow to raise the water level of the river and then overflow into nearby residential areas.
Various ways can be implemented to ensure that the flood problems can be reduced in Kuala Terengganu. Every planned action has good and bad effects. Therefore, all parties should join hands to find the best alternative to solve the complex and different flood problems in each area. If we agree to achieve a common vision, which is to overcome the flood problems, surely we will find the best solution for all parties. Hopefully, the method discussed can be applied in our community to ensure a safe, comfortable, and harmonious.